Think you know Mexican food? Get ready to forget everything you thought you knew. We're not talking about your average Taco Tuesday. We're talking about a fiery ancient stew that's been simmering for generations, and a snack of fish so tiny you eat them whole, bones, fins, and all. Today, we're in the heart of an ancient Purepecha empire, on a mission to uncover the culinary secrets of a town whose name means the place of hummingbirds. Hola amigos, hello friends. We had discovered this incredible cocina tradicional, a traditional kitchen, after visiting the wonderful Museo Vasco de Quiroga, an interpretive museum that has an electronic restaurant locator. We're skipping the tourist traps today and going straight to the local favorites. So get ready for an adventure, because we are about to eat our way through the authentic heart of Michoacan. Let's do this. We are at a restaurant in Tzintzuntzan called La Casa de Blanca Cocina Tradicional. And we have just ordered the La Experiencia, which will give us a taste of a whole bunch of different dishes that are served here. We're trying a lot of food and we're super excited about it. We love our food. We are going to try everything and let you know what it's all about and if it's delicious, which I believe it probably will be. We are starting with café de olla, which is a typical Mexican coffee that is brewed with cinnamon and other spices and some sugar. This one is really not very sweet. It's so delicious. Café de olla is something that I'm always looking for when I go to a restaurant, and I don't always find it. So it's really special when we get to find café de olla anywhere we go, any restaurant, especially for breakfast or an early lunch in Mexico. So stay tuned for our piggy plate. Okay, so the first dish to come out is churipo, and that is the stew or soup. It's very thick with carrots, cabbage, calabaza. There are chunks of beef in here, and the base itself is spicy. It is really delicious. Experiencia, the experience that's coming out, it's gonna come out one thing at a time. So they've just brought us some, what's that, lemonade?
Guayaba.
Oh, guayaba. And so we get some agua de guayaba. And this is a chili negro, and it's made with beef. It's like a quesadilla or a taco, and looks really super good. In my churipo, I am going to add some onion and a little bit. I'm not going to add the jalapeno because I think, well, there's a little bit in here, but but it is spicy in and of itself. A little lime. It is so good. I love that the sauces here come with these little wooden spoons to put on top of your food, and everything is beautifully presented with beautiful pottery, plates, bowls. Everything is with traditional pottery here. It's absolutely stunning. And it's really good. The restaurant is beautiful, and you can actually watch the cooking being done. So everything is all out in the open. They've got this beautiful pottery up behind the kitchen, and there's also some really beautiful tables. The tablecloths are super pretty, and everything is just really lovely in here. The next part of the experience that has come out is charales, and the charales they're small fish. These ones are fried and in a tortilla with onion and tomato. I don't do fish. I don't do any kind of seafood, so this one is all Marty. So he's gonna try it. Of course, he never wants to be on camera. Oh, he says it's really good. The entire fish is in there, including the eye. So he said he's been avoiding it because of the eye, but he's not going to do that anymore. He's eating everything, including the eye. Oh, there it is. So the next part of the experience that we're getting is the chili relleno stuffed with cheese, and it's got a little rice on the side and a little crema on the top, and it looks really, really good. It's really super tasty. But I've always loved chili relleno. Really, really good. What I'm loving so far about this place is that there's some really delicious, yummy salsas here, and the salsas are super flavorful. The food almost really doesn't need it. It's just an enhancement to what we've already got here. So next on La Experiencia, the experience is an enchilada. It's covered with cheese, crema, lettuce, carrots, and what is this?
Potato?
It's really, really good. I don't even know what's inside. A lot of this stuff that's coming out can be eaten by vegetarians. I would say no on the vegan. Okay, now comes my favorite, which is mole. And it has mole, chicken, rice, and maybe a little bit of vegetables in here. It looks really, really yummy. Okay, this is really delicious, and the mole by itself is really phenomenal. There's some potato in here too, and some calabaza. It's really, really tasty. Ice cream. So we have the last dish here, which is the carne de cerdo con corundas. And that is also a traditional dish here. There's a tamale in the middle. The corn tamale that's in the middle of this pork dish, there's pork around the side. It's covered in a red sauce and some cream. But the tamale is almost like a really dense cornbread without the sweetness of the corn that we're used to. Without the sweetness that we're used to in the United States with sweet corn. So the indigenous populations do not use sweet corn, and a lot of Mexicans also do not use sweet corn. Now it's time for dessert, and what we have here is figs and pumpkin. And you can see that the pumpkin seeds are still in here, and the fig, and they're candied. So it's sweet, and it's called a postre. So we are going to give this a try. This is so, so good. I'm going to try the fig now. Figs are already sweet enough as they are, and these are just perfect. Really, really delicious. Everything here at the restaurant has been incredible. We were just talking about how all of the different flavors from the experience was just an explosion of flavors. And ending with a little sweet treat at the end is just perfection. I highly recommend that if you are going to visit Pátzcuaro, that you take a day to take a trip around the lake and stop in the magical city of Tzintzuntzan, and have a meal here at La Casa de Blanca. It is traditional food, and the flavors really, really delicious, like I said, and just really enjoyable experience. The service has been friendly and nice, and we've really enjoyed coming to a very traditional restaurant and experiencing some of the foods that we aren't going to get to try anywhere else in Mexico but here. My must-try dish of the day? It's tough, but I have to give it to the churipo. That stew was on another level. It was pure soul in a bowl. A spicy, hearty beef stew that's a staple of the indigenous Purepecha people. So which one of these would you try first? Let us know your choice in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today. Adios amigos. Goodbye friends.